COMELEC Commissioner George Erwin Garcia is pretty confident that the new features of the hardware or voting and counting machines will assure the electorate of transparency and integrity when they cast their ballots on Decision Day in May. Our Rod Lagusa dwells on a new feature on the VC's which affords the voter to see his or her filled-out ballot after feeding it into the machine in this report.
For the upcoming 2025 national and local elections in May, the Commission on Elections continues to ensure transparency in the process to demonstrate the integrity of the election results. In a forum, COMELEC Chairman George Erwin Garcia stated one of the changes voters will experience is the opportunity to see their votes after inserting their ballots into the automated counting machine.
Makikita ng botante yung picture ng kanyang balota. 15 seconds sa harap, 5 seconds sa likod. Yung likod po yung party list, yung harap, national and local position. Kahit isa lang ang tingnan mo, yung pagkakashade mo, yung bayot mismo yung balota na pumasok.
This gives voters the chance to check if their votes match their choices and if there are any discrepancies.
Meron pong form na pipilapan sila, yung challenge form na pwedeng sabihin na iba yung nakita kong resibo doon sa mismong balota. At yung po yung magiging parte ng pwede maging basis ng election protest o protesta upang i-challenge yung results sa mismong presinto na yan. Or pwede pong gamitin din yon para po i-challenge yung results pagdating po sa canvassing sa bayan o kaya sa syudad.
Garcia emphasized they are confident it will not change. And if anyone tries to disrupt the process, COMELEC said it will not immediately disclose its course of action or response to handle such situations. In addition, poll watchers at each precinct will have the opportunity to take pictures and videos of the ballot images after the results have been transmitted and the election returns printed. For internet voting among Filipinos abroad, poll watching will be allowed at the embassies or consulates where the counting is held. The enrollment for the overseas voters will start on April until May. Meanwhile, Garcia called for the amendment to the law concerning certification of the automated election system.
Magdadalawampung taon na yung batas Hindi po na-anticipate na ganyan na mahaba ang proseso. And therefore, isipin niyo po simula 2010. And to think na pare-parehas na makina po yun. Pare-parehas ang system na yon. Ay bakit po parehas ang system, parehas ang provider, 3 days, 6 days lang before the election tsaka na-i-issue ang certification?
COMELEC hopes that by the end of March, the certification shall have been issued. Garcia explained they are only waiting for the source code for the internet voting for Filipinos abroad, while the hardware or machine and for the transmission were completed as early as February. He added that 3 source code need to be integrated to ensure coordination among others. Rod Lagusad from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.